What will happen if you start swimming 30 minutes every day? Swimming presents a distinct chance for individuals seeking to enhance their physical well-being. When we submerge ourselves in water, our body experiences a dense environment that offers up to 12 times more resistance than air, providing an excellent workout for our muscles while reducing stress on our joints. If you're curious about the impact of swimming on your body with daily practice, check out this video for more insights. Be sure to watch it through to the end. Let's get started. So, when you swim, almost all the muscles in your body are involved. Unlike running, which engages approximately 70% of our muscles, swimming activates all of our muscles. Consequently, regular swimming leads to enhanced muscular condition, including the activation of the smallest stabilizing muscles that are usually underutilized in our daily routine. Interestingly, these muscles can only be activated while in a horizontal position during swimming. The next thing you will notice is your posture improves. Swimming is an excellent way to improve posture, particularly when using the correct technique. It's unlikely you've ever seen a swimmer with poor posture. This is because swimming provides a dual effect on our muscles. Firstly, it strengthens the stabilizing muscles responsible for shoulder blade position and chest protrusion. Secondly, it increases flexibility and stretches the chest and shoulder muscles, making it easier and more comfortable to maintain a straight, natural posture. The next thing that happens to you as a result of regular swimming is a significant improvement in your cardiovascular system. Swimming is particularly beneficial for the health of our heart and blood vessels because it allows us to remain in a horizontal position. This position is optimal for our cardiovascular system as it minimizes harmful pressure on the heart and facilitates comfortable blood flow. Consequently, swimming is the ideal exercise for promoting a healthy heart and circulatory system. The next item is your respiratory system. Swimming is one of the most effective physical activities for enhancing lung function and increasing vital capacity, which refers to the amount of air that can be inhaled. Athletes typically have a greater vital capacity than non-athletes, resulting in better ventilation of the lungs and increased oxygen intake throughout the body. In the average adult, the vital capacity is around 3,500 cubic centimeters, while athletes can range from 4,500 to 5,000 cubic centimeters. However, swimmers can achieve a remarkable vital capacity of up to 6,200 cubic centimeters. The next thing is calorie consumption. Starting a regular swimming routine is an excellent way to strengthen your entire body and burn subcutaneous fat, especially if you're new to the activity. The number of calories burned while swimming is influenced by your technique and swimming speed. To provide a comparison, regular jogging typically burns around 500 kilocalories per hour, whereas swimming can vary in intensity depending on the style. For example, breaststroke can burn between 400 and 800 kilocalories per hour, depending on your speed. Meanwhile, the crawl stroke can burn between 500 and 1000 kilocalories per hour, as can the backstroke. The butterfly stroke can burn between 600 and 1000 kilocalories per hour, but as with all swimming styles, the exact number of calories burned depends on your speed. Also, swimming has a very great effect on your psycho-emotional state. Swimming not only trains the nervous system but also promotes hardening of the body. This is because of the process of moving from a warm environment into cool water and back into a warm environment, which can have beneficial effects on the body's response to stress. Additionally, swimming is known to stimulate the release of endorphins, which contribute to feelings of pleasure and well-being. As a result, People who regularly swim tend to find the activity stress-relieving and enjoyable, often resulting in a positive mood. And I should tell you about the muscles. Each swimming style offers unique benefits for muscle development. The breaststroke, for instance, primarily targets the chest and back muscles while also working the shoulders, forearms, and triceps. The classic crawl stroke, on the other hand, is great for improving the shoulders, triceps, and back muscles, while also engaging the hips and buttocks. Swimmers who prefer the back crawl style will notice improvements in the back muscles, shoulders, traps, and hips. The butterfly stroke, often considered the most challenging technique, provides a comprehensive workout by engaging the shoulders, triceps, back, abdomen, and chest muscles. As a result, it offers a high-intensity workout that many swimmers find challenging but rewarding. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.